Welcome to a journey that could potentially change your financial life forever. It's a journey that many have embarked on, and one that has transformed countless lives, turning ordinary individuals into millionaires. But what does it mean to be a millionaire? It's not just about the money in your bank account, it's about financial freedom, security, and the capacity to live life on your own terms. Becoming a millionaire is not reserved for a select few. It's not just for those born into wealth or those who win the lottery. No, financial success is achievable for anyone. Yes, anyone with the right mindset and strategies. It's about understanding the rules of the financial game and having the determination to play it well. In this journey, we're going to explore 5 money secrets that can pave your path to financial success. These aren't hidden gems known only to the rich and famous. These are tried and tested principles that anyone can apply regardless of their current financial status. First, we'll delve into the power of the money mindset. It's not just about how much money you have, it's about how you think about it. Next, we'll focus on financial education. It's not enough to earn money, you need to understand how to manage it effectively. Then we'll talk about income generation. There are countless ways to increase your income, and we'll explore some of the most effective ones. Our 4th secret is smart investing. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about building wealth over time. And finally, we'll emphasize the importance of financial discipline and planning, because without a solid plan and the discipline to stick to it, achieving financial success can remain an elusive dream. So buckle up as we dive into these secrets to financial success. This journey is not just about becoming a millionaire, it's about achieving financial success, gaining financial freedom, and ultimately living a life of abundance and fulfillment. The first secret to share is all about your mindset. Now, this might seem a bit abstract, but it's truly foundational. The way we think about money, our financial beliefs and attitudes, they all play a monumental role in shaping our financial reality. Let's start by debunking a common myth, that money is inherently evil or corrupting. This misconception can create an internal blockage that hinders the flow of wealth into our lives. In reality, money is a tool, a means to an end. It's neither good nor bad. It's what we do with it, how we earn it, and how we use it that counts. Another misleading belief is that money is scarce, that there's just not enough of it to go around. This is a mindset of scarcity, and it can be incredibly limiting. If we believe money is scarce, we're less likely to take risks, to invest, or to think creatively about how to generate wealth. So how do we shift from scarcity to abundance? Well, one powerful method is through gratitude. By appreciating what we already have, we foster a sense of abundance. This can change our perspective, making us more open to opportunities and more optimistic about our financial future. Abundance thinking is not just about being positive, it's about believing in possibilities. It's about understanding that there is enough for everyone and that success is not a zero-sum game. It's about realizing that we can create wealth without taking it away from others. Another strategy to develop a positive money mindset is to challenge and change our money narratives. We all have stories we tell ourselves about money. Maybe you believe you're just not good with money, or you've convinced yourself that you'll never be wealthy. These narratives can be deeply ingrained, but they're not fixed. We can rewrite them. Start by identifying your money narratives. Then, question them. Are they true? Are they helpful? If not, it's time to create new narratives that align with your financial goals and aspirations. Finally, visualize your financial success. Imagine what it will feel like to achieve your financial goals. Visualization can be a powerful motivator, helping to keep you focused and committed to your financial journey. In essence, cultivating a positive money mindset is about embracing abundance, challenging limiting beliefs, and visualizing success. It's about understanding that wealth is not only about having money, but also about the freedom, security, and opportunities it can provide. Remember, your mindset is the foundation of your financial success. It's the starting point from which all other strategies and actions flow. So before you dive into budgeting, saving, or investing, take some time to examine your beliefs about money. Are they serving you, or are they holding you back? The power to change your financial future starts with changing your mind. Our second secret is one that schools often overlook: financial education. Now let's dive into the meat of it. Financial education is the cornerstone of wealth creation. It's like a map guiding you through the complex world of finance, helping you navigate from where you are now to where you want to be, comfortably perched atop a mountain of wealth. But what exactly is financial education? At its core, financial education is understanding how money works. It involves mastering key financial concepts, including budgeting, saving, investing, and the magical phenomenon of compound interest. Let's break these down. First, budgeting. It's the art of managing your income and expenses, ensuring your hard-earned cash covers your needs, your wants, and your future. It's about taking control of your money rather than letting it control you. Next, saving. We've all heard the saying, "A penny saved is a penny earned." But it's more than just stashing away loose change. It's about setting aside a portion of your income regularly for future use. Be it for a rainy day, a dream vacation, or your golden years, saving is your financial safety net. Then comes investing. If saving is your safety net, investing is your trampoline, bouncing your wealth to new heights. It's putting your money to work, allowing it to grow over time. Whether it's in stocks, bonds, real estate, or your own business, investing is about growing your wealth exponentially. Lastly, let's talk about the wonder that is compound interest. Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. It's the process where your interest earns interest, creating a snowball effect that can significantly increase your wealth over time. It's the secret sauce that makes investing so potent. But where can you learn all this? Well, the good news is resources for financial education abound. There are books written by financial gurus that offer invaluable insights. Think Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. There are also online courses and websites that break down complex financial concepts into bite-sized, digestible pieces. Websites like Investopedia and Khan Academy offer a wealth of information for free. Lastly, don't forget about podcasts and YouTube channels dedicated to financial education. Remember, the journey to financial literacy is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's not about understanding everything overnight, but about continuous learning and application. So equip yourself with the knowledge necessary to make informed financial decisions. Understand how money works and make it work for you. Because in the end, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Now let's delve into the third secret, generating income. Have you ever heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? Well, it's not just a cute idiom, it's a vital principle when it comes to creating wealth. One of the secrets to financial freedom is diversifying your income streams. Think of it as a safety net. If one source of income falters, you've got others to fall back on. Let's start with traditional employment. This is where most people generate their primary income. It's your 9-to-5 job, the monthly salary that pays the bills, but relying solely on this can be limiting. So what's next? Welcome to the world of side hustles. These are small, often part-time ventures you can undertake alongside your main job. They can range from selling handmade crafts online, tutoring, or even pet sitting. The beauty of side hustles is they can transform a hobby or a passion into an income stream. Freelancing is another avenue to explore. With the rise of the digital age, opportunities for freelancers have exploded. You can offer your services in graphic design, writing, programming, and much more. The key here is to leverage your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? These are questions to ask yourself when considering freelancing. Then there's entrepreneurship. Starting your own business can be a risky venture, but it often comes with high rewards. Businesses can generate income through sales of products or services. It's important to note that successful entrepreneurship requires a unique combination of passion, grit, and market demand. And lastly, let's not forget about investments. While they require an initial outlay of cash, they can provide a significant return over time. This could be investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business. The key to successful investing is understanding the market, doing your research, and being patient. Maximizing your earning potential isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's about finding ways to make your money work for you. This could be through negotiating a higher salary at your job, optimizing your freelance rates, or strategically pricing your products or services in your business. But remember, generating income shouldn't come at the cost of your happiness or well-being. It's important to strike a balance. Don't just chase the money, chase your passion and the money will follow. To wrap it up, income generation is an art. It's about diversifying your income streams, leveraging your skills and passions, and maximizing your earning potential. It's about creating a safety net and ensuring financial stability. It's about making money work for you. Remember, there's always more than one way to earn money. The fourth secret is one that could multiply your money: smart investing. Imagine planting a seed, nurturing it, and watching it grow into a mighty tree. That, in essence, is what investing is all about. Investing is the practice of committing money into assets with the expectation of generating an income or profit. While this might sound intimidating, everyone can learn to invest. It's not rocket science, but it does require patience, discipline, and a clear understanding of certain key concepts. Firstly, it's essential to understand the types of assets you can invest in. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and your returns come from the company's profits. Bonds are essentially loans you give to entities like governments or corporations, and your returns come from the interest they pay you. Real estate investments could be residential or commercial properties, and your returns come from rental income or property appreciation. There are also other assets like mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and even digital assets like cryptocurrencies. Now let's talk about the power of long-term investing. It's not about making a quick buck, but about letting your money work for you over time. The magic ingredient here is compound interest, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. When you reinvest your earnings, they too start earning, creating a snowball effect that can significantly grow your wealth. Over time, even small, regular investments can accumulate into substantial sums. It's also crucial to remember that all investments come with risks. Not all seeds grow into trees, and not all investments yield profits. This is where diversification comes into play. By spreading your investments across different asset types and sectors, you can balance potential losses in one area with gains in another. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Finally, let's discuss creating an investment strategy. This is a plan that aligns your investments with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Are you investing for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your child's education? How much risk are you comfortable taking? How long can you leave your money invested without needing it? Answering these questions will help you design an investment strategy that fits your individual needs. Remember, investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about disciplined, consistent contributions, strategic asset allocation, and patience. It's about understanding that the market will have its ups and downs, but over the long run, it has historically trended upwards. And most importantly, investing is not just for the rich. It's for anyone who wants to grow their wealth. So, equip yourself with knowledge, create a strategy, and take that first step towards smart investing. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and the journey to long-term wealth begins with a single investment. Investing is not just for the rich, it's for anyone who wants to grow their wealth. The fifth and final secret we'll discuss today is financial discipline and planning. Now let's be honest, discipline isn't exactly the most exciting word, is it? It conjures up images of school detentions or strict diet plans. But when it comes to your finances, discipline is the magic ingredient that turns dreams into reality. Think of it this way: each of us is the captain of our financial ship. The sea is our life, unpredictable and full of both opportunities and challenges. Our financial goals are the distant shores we aim to reach. Discipline is the compass that keeps us on course, and planning is the map that shows us the way. Discipline starts with something as simple as budgeting. It's about knowing where your money is going and making conscious decisions about your spending. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest in your future. Next is saving. It's easy to think of saving as a chore, something we do because we have to, not because we want to. But what if we flip that narrative? What if we saw saving as a way to buy our future freedom, to purchase peace of mind, to secure our dreams? Suddenly, saving becomes a lot more attractive. Avoiding debt is another crucial aspect of financial discipline. Debt is like a leak in our financial ship. It slows us down, and if left unchecked, it can sink us. So plug those leaks. Pay off your debts as quickly as you can and avoid unnecessary debts in the future. But discipline and planning aren't just about preventing problems. They're also about creating opportunities. That's where setting financial goals comes in. Goals give us a direction, a reason to push forward. They turn the abstract concept of financial success into something tangible, something we can strive for. Setting a goal is the first step. The next step is creating a plan to achieve it. A plan breaks down our goal into manageable steps. It tells us what we need to do and when we need to do it. It gives us a path to follow, a roadmap to our destination. And remember, plans aren't set in stone. They're flexible. They can and should be adjusted as our circumstances change, as we learn and grow, as we get closer to our goals. So don't be afraid to revisit and revise your plan as needed. Now, this all might sound a bit daunting, but the beauty of discipline and planning is that they build on themselves. The more you practice them, the easier they become. The more progress you see, the more motivated you'll be to continue. So, start small. Start today. Set a budget. Save a little. Pay off a debt. Set a financial goal. Make a plan. Then watch as your financial ship sails steadily towards the shores of your dreams. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. So let's build that bridge, one disciplined decision at a time. We've covered a lot of ground today. Let's quickly recap. We've navigated the landscape of financial success, and it's simpler than it might seem. The first secret, your mindset. Your beliefs about money shape your financial future. Embrace gratitude, cultivate abundance thinking, and watch your relationship with money transform. The second secret is all about financial education. Understand the language of money, budgeting, saving, investing, and the magic of compound interest. Equip yourself with knowledge using books, online resources, and courses. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Next, we dove into the art of income generation. The secret here is diversity. Don't rely solely on traditional employment. Consider side hustles, freelancing, entrepreneurship, and investments. Maximize your earning potential by leveraging your skills and passions. Our fourth secret was smart investing. Your money can work for you. Investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets can build wealth over time. It's all about long-term strategies and compounding returns. Craft an investment strategy that suits your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Last but not least, we underlined the importance of financial discipline and planning. Set clear financial goals, create a plan to achieve them, and stick to it. Budget wisely, save consistently, and avoid unnecessary debt. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. These 5 money secrets are your roadmap to financial success. But knowing isn't enough. You need to take action. Apply these principles and you're well on your way to building a brighter financial future. For more guidance, there are countless resources available. Financial advisors, educational platforms, and supportive communities are all at your fingertips. There's a wealth of knowledge out there waiting for you. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Start today, and you'll be steps closer to becoming a millionaire.